Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off user account control on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select your view by up at the top right, and you want to select large icons. And then you want to go down and select where it says security and maintenance. Go ahead and select that. And then on the left side where it says change user account control settings, select that. And then you just scroll the little bar down to the bottom to select never notify me and select OK. Select yes to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.